In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize and manage your day using Google Calendar. This straightforward guide will help you break down your daily activities into three main parts, ensuring a balanced approach to accomplishing your tasks. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive plan to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for productivity. First, we'll begin by opening Google Calendar on your computer or mobile device. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Calendar is a versatile scheduling tool that can help you keep track of all your appointments, tasks, and personal commitments. It's accessible through your Google account, so make sure you're logged in to get started. Once you have your calendar open, let's talk about dividing your day into three main parts. This method can help you better allocate your time, ensuring that you have a balanced mix of work, personal time, and rest. These divisions could be morning, afternoon, and evening, or you could segment it by different types of activities, like work, leisure, and self-care. The key is to create a structure that works best for your lifestyle and obligations. This way, you're not only planning what you need to get done, but also making time for relaxation and other activities that are important to you. Now, to keep your calendar organized and visually appealing, consider using color coding. This feature is particularly handy when you want to distinguish between different categories at a quick glance. To do this, simply click on the three dots beside each of your added calendars. From there, you can choose a color for each type of activity. For example, you might want to use blue for work, green for personal appointments, and so on. Color coding aids in quickly identifying your commitments, making sure nothing overlaps or gets overlooked. Next, it's time to add specific activities at designated times of the day. Click on the slot that matches the hour you've set for your activity. This step is crucial for staying on track throughout the day. Be sure to label each of these events clearly, specifying what exactly you plan to accomplish. For example, instead of just marking work, you could write finish project report or team meeting. The more specific you can be, the better you'll be able to focus on what needs to be done. You can go ahead and create all your planned activities for the whole day. This might take a bit of time initially, but in the long run, having a full day outlined will save you from the scramble of last-minute planning. It gives a clear overview of your day ahead, helping you transition smoothly from task to task. Remember, Google Calendar is a dynamic tool that allows for adjustments. If something comes up or if your plan changes, you can simply drag and drop your events to adjust the timing as needed. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a more organized, less stressful day. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch how these little adjustments can lead to greater productivity and peace of mind.